Welcome back to CBS News Detroit at noon. Many families fight over a will or trust, and in some cases, they may have concerns that the person in charge isn't doing their job. Let's bring in legal expert Danielle Mayoras. Danielle, thanks for being on with us once again. First off, what is a trustee or an executor?
They're very similar. A trustee oversees the administration of a trust, as you might imagine, and an executor actually oversees the administration of an estate and probate court. But both of them need to take the best interest of the beneficiaries in mind.
Can you share some warning signs that a person administering the will or trust maybe is doing something wrong?
There's a lot of different warning signs. Probably the biggest one is secrecy. Okay. So if the person in charge isn't sharing information and isn't being transparent with what's going on, that is a huge red flag. A couple other warning signs is they're not following the terms of the will or trust, or maybe they're doing things in their own self-interest that benefit them and not the beneficiaries.
And you hear about this concern very often. I think people, it's just kind of human nature when you're not the one in control. You question the person who is, what they're doing, are they staying on top of it as well as you would? How common is this that there is something kind of running amok there?
Unfortunately, it is pretty common. We get calls all the time to our law firm with people saying, I'm suspicious of what's going on, and sometimes the suspicions are unfounded, but a lot of times they're not. One of my partners just won a $2 million verdict because someone reached out thinking that there was something fishy going on with the trustee. And these things can range from crazy things like giving money to beneficiaries for cosmetic procedures like Botox and filler to missing millions of dollars in assets. So it really runs the gamut.
And important to note, usually when these situations are happening, it's around an unfortunate time. You're dealing with so much emotionally, and then this just kind of compounds it. What should you do if you are a beneficiary and you don't think the trustee is doing their job properly? What are your next steps?
The first thing that you can do is you can create a paper trail. Reach out to the trustee or executor in writing and ask for the information or try to get answers to the questions and suspicions that you have. Now, if you do that and you don't get information from them, or the information you get back is still really questionable, at that point in time you want to reach out to a probate litigation attorney. This is a very specialized area of law, so I don't do this, my partners do. It's not estate planning and it's not general litigation. It's someone who specializes in dealing with these will and trust contests.
So document, document, document,
Absolutely.
And then make sure you find someone with a specialty.
Yes.
All right, Danielle Mayoras, thank you for your time.
Thank you. Appreciate it.